To be honest, all women enjoy playing hard to get now and then. They understand that acting uninterested in a man only makes them more appealing. The question now is how to entice a woman who isn't interested. Of course, you can't control another person's emotions, but you can influence them to change and fall in love with you right away. The point is that you should try smarter rather than harder. You'll only scare her away if you're too pushy. Be patient and take things slowly. A woman may act as if she isn't interested in you in order to see how interested you are in her and how eager you are to get her attention and win her over. 1. Boost your self-esteem. Men, as previously stated, are hunters who enjoy the thrill of the chase. You must have confidence in yourself from the start if you want to achieve your goal with a girl you like and catch her. If you don't like yourself, you can't expect her to like you. So, if you don't feel comfortable in your clothes, think your hairstyle is desperate, or you've put on a few pounds, take action. Remove the dreadful sweater you received as a holiday gift and replace it with a shirt you like and fits you perfectly. Schedule a hair appointment and feel good in your own skin. That way, even if she rejects you, you won't feel bad about yourself because she has different tastes. Still, if you're confident and talk to her as if there's no way she'll reject you, the chances of her rejecting you are much lower. When you're nervous in front of the girl you like, you need to learn to relax. While speaking, avoid making any small hand movements. You should be aware that fidgeting is never a good idea. 2. Play it cool. Do not appear desperate during the flirting game. Women despise it. You can show that you're interested and concerned in some way, but keep your feet on the ground. Do not act like a psychopath who is looking for his next victim and will go to any length to get them. You like her, and she knows it, but don't go overboard and make her think you approached her because you couldn't find anyone else. If you're going to extremes to keep her by your side, it'll come across as desperate, and desperate people aren't attractive. Trust me, the moment she thinks of you in that light, she will bolt. 3. Keep yourself occupied. To put it another way, live a life. Don't overwhelm her with your emotions now that you've already told her you like her and are interested in her. Trying to win her over by irritating her will only drive her away. You should now give her some time to reflect on you and decide whether or not she wants to see you again. To put it another way, go about your daily routine. Whatever you do in your own life, go to work, have dinners with friends, or go to the gym. Show her that you're having a good time. Do not, under any circumstances, abandon her. Send her a few messages to let her know you're thinking of her, but don't try to pressure her into making a decision. 4. Don't chase her. Some guys have this habit of sending messages to women throughout the day to let her know they like her. First of all, don't send her too many messages if she is not responding. If she doesn't respond to your first message, don't send another until she does, or she'll think you're stalking her. If women believe they are the ones making the decisions, they are more likely to be interested. So wait for her to respond to your message, or send one first. Not only will she feel more in control, but you'll gain a better understanding of her feelings toward you. You've heard it said that not getting an answer is an answer. Don't show up everywhere she goes, either. That way, she might get the feeling of being in charge, which none of us enjoy. 5. Be aware of your body language. As you are probably aware, body language is extremely important. There's no way you'll get anywhere with a girl if you approach her with the attitude of someone who isn't sure why he approached her in the first place. This also applies to a girl who might like you. So imagine your chances with one who isn't interested in you at all. In the game of love, body language and self-confidence are crucial. If you use your body language correctly, even before you start a conversation with a woman you like, she will be able to tell if you like her or not. It will also assist you in demonstrating your self-assurance. This means you should sit as close to her as possible, touch her whenever possible, and do so in such a way that she doesn't think of you as a creep, but rather as someone who gives her good chills. How do you go about doing that? So, instead of touching her inappropriately, wait for the right moment to move her hair away from her face, or assist her in putting on her jacket. Consider small details that will help her see you as gentle and caring. What you should not do is be aggressive, which means that if you try to touch her and she pulls away, you should immediately back off. That will convey to her that your goal is to make her feel at ease around you, not terrified. One more important thing will result from this. She will be unable to friend zone you because she will recognize that you are not there solely to be her friend. Pay attention to your posture as well. Straight shoulders and back, with your body facing her, are all signs that you want to be there with her and amaze her. Men are known to be hunters who enjoy the thrill of the chase, so make it clear to her that she is the only one on your mind. You don't want her to think she is just another girl on your list. If you're talking to her but looking around the room, she might assume you're looking for a way out, which will lead nowhere. Remember that the best way to attract a beautiful woman is to project confidence in your body language. 6. Maintain eye contact. You should also pay attention to facial expressions and eye contact when it comes to body language. Consider the possibility that she is watching you. You're staring at your phone, the doors, and the people on the other side of the bar. What is her current impression of you? You're giving her the impression that you're bored and can't wait to finish your conversation with her by acting this way. You'll make her think you're rude, and you'll make her think she's boring and uninteresting. The worst thing you can do is undermine her self-assurance. Maintaining eye contact is the #1 tool for flirting, so keeping it will definitely let her know you're interested in her. Of course, this does not mean you should stare her down and make her uncomfortable. Instead, look her in the eyes for a few seconds. Then look away and make eye contact again. Make her feel wanted by ensuring she knows you are listening to her. 7. Accept her for who she is. This should not be an issue because, after all, you are the one attempting to pique her interest in you. What's important is that you're confident in her acceptance of you. Relationships are two-sided, so don't forget about yourself. You must understand that she is not a meal where you can pick and choose what you want to eat. You must be willing to accept her flaws and manners because she undoubtedly has them. After all, she is human. Every woman desires to be valued and respected. With that in mind, don't tell her she's doing something wrong just because you wouldn't do it. If you want to win her over, you'll have to deal with her flaws, her entire personality, not just the parts you like or think she should have. 8. Be a good listener. There is no better way to show someone that you care about them than to listen to them. Details are crucial. Always pay attention to what she has to say. Don't let her catch you pretending to be someone else. Okay, women do talk a lot, but if she cares and is passionate about something, you should be supportive and at the very least listen to her. And by listening, I don't mean remaining silent while she speaks. Rather, I mean hearing her out, answering her questions, and assisting her in resolving her doubts. Keep in mind that the most appealing man is one who is compassionate and kind. After all, you're the one to whom she wants to tell her story, so don't let her down. This way, you'll be able to figure out what she likes, dislikes, fears, and a variety of other details that will eventually help you win her heart. You must pay attention to her in order to learn some things that will assist you in winning her heart. Listen carefully if she discusses her previous relationship and breakup, and don't make the same mistakes her ex did. She might mention that she likes a band, and you can surprise her by taking her to one of their concerts. She'll notice that you listened to her, and that will make her fall in love with you, even if it wasn't her intention at first. 9. Make her laugh. When a woman is asked about her ideal man, one of the first things she will say is that he has the ability to make her laugh. She wants to feel relaxed around you, and what better way to do that than to laugh and be carefree in the moment? If you can do this, you'll have a good chance because it's widely accepted that humor is the key to a woman's heart. You must establish a fun and positive atmosphere between you two. You must first become her friend before she will fall in love with you. Being a good friend attracts women and almost always results in a relationship. 10. Pay her compliments. Every woman will agree that feeling attractive and desired is a wonderful feeling. Making her feel that way will give you a huge advantage in your quest to win the woman you want. Despite the fact that women are more emotional than men, they still desire to be desired in a sensual sense. Pay attention to the details as well as telling her that you are attracted to her. Tell her she's stunning even without makeup. Compliments will always make her smile and will undoubtedly brighten her day. 11. Win over her friends. It's no secret that a woman's friends' opinions matter a great deal to her, perhaps even more than they should. Make sure her friends like you if you want to win over an attractive woman who isn't interested in you. Otherwise, I regret to inform you that you do not stand a chance. This isn't true if she likes you and is interested right away, but we're talking about a woman who isn't interested right away. That's why her friends might play an important role in portraying you as a nice guy she might like if she gives you a chance. She may not know much about you at first, so a kind word from them can go a long way toward giving you a chance.